Welcome to NEET students. This session helps us to know about the botany and its analysis in case of the NEET examination. Dear students, as you know that NEET examination conducted for the medicine aspirants. In the NEET examination, physics, chemistry gives 45 questions from each subject. But in case of the biology, we get 90 questions. In that, botany and zoology, both subjects were included. But botany is going to give more number of questions in the NEET examinations. We may get 50 or 52, sometimes 53 questions also coming from the botany topics. And today we will have a look over the botany and its topics and the questions coming from them in the preferential order in case of the NEET examination here. See here, botany and the NEET analysis. Here we have the topics based on the preferential order of the number of the questions coming from them. Here you see, the first topic, the biological classification, is going to give 5 questions minimum from it. Actually, it is around that 5 questions, it enables that. Here, one thing we should remember, this biological classification of this first one and the plant kingdom of this 6th one and also the living world of the 16th one are present in the same unit. So, we are going to get 5 plus 3 plus 1, almost all here 8 to 9 questions may come from the first unit, the diversity in the living world. Here we got them in the form of the topic wise, but overall look in case of the unit will enable us to know about the how many number of questions are coming from that unit. So in that way, biological classification, in which all the organisms and their classification under the Whitakers can be had from this, and it's going to give 5 questions from it. And next priority is given to the anatomy of the flowering plants, which contains the monocots and dicots, roots, stems, leaves and tissues, internal organizations, secondary growth of the flowering plants is going to give the 4 questions here. And the very utmost important topic of our botany is the another one, that is the cytology, where you are going to have here, you see here, the third topic, cell, the unit of life, is going to give the 4 questions at least, and then you can have the cell cycle and cell division, in which you are going to get the 2 questions, and then the biomolecules, 1 question. Here also, these 3 topics were covered under the cytology. So, these are going to give the 8 to 9 questions. Here actually we got some analysis based on the number of the examination papers. It may come 1 or 2 more or less from these topics, but here the cytology is going to give a lot of questions from these ones. As you know that one, each question carries 4 marks, and for the wrong one we have the negative mark also, -1. Totally we have the 720 marks, and from each subject like physics and chemistry 45 into 4, 45 into 4, and from the biology 90 into 4. So if we have such kind of the look and proper preparation under the examination point of view, we can get the more score and we can crack the NEET seat. I hope you will do best after knowing these information. Okay, next we will go for the sexual reproduction in flowering plants. This one is going to give the 4 questions at least from this topic. And the molecular basis of inheritance is coming from the molecular biology, in which we get the nucleic acids and different types of the materials that are present inside this one are also covered in zoology and some of the corners in chemistry of the second year topics. And then here the plant kingdom has already we discussed, which comes under the biological classification. Here we discuss about the different classifications of the plant kingdom, different groups of the plant kingdom, and we will get the information about the various terms. One thing we should remember about this biological classification, plant kingdom and the living world and the cytology and almost all the topics of the like this anatomy and sexual reproduction in flowering plants, the terminology. We need to get the meaning of the terminology. When you understood about the terminology, then it is very easy to go forward. Then, the principles of inheritance and variation. Here it is, we can call it as genetics, and it gives the 3 questions from this topic, and it may also help us in knowing or getting some more questions. We can attempt some more questions from the zoology too. And biotechnology and its applications. This topic, and here you can see another, this 15th one, biotechnology principles and processes, comes under the same topic. So it's going to give the 5 questions minimum here from this unit. And then morphology of flowering plants also giving the 2 questions. And then when you come to the mineral nutrition, and here photosynthesis in higher plants, respiration in plants, and here these 3 comes under the physiology of the plant, and there you are going to get 6 questions from these topics. And then reproduction in organisms of the plants exclusively is going to give the 2 questions here from this case. And the biomolecules also comes here in the cytology. We studied that particular topic in the cell, the unit of life, and cell cycle and cell division, and biomolecules. And the transport in plants also gives the question which comes under the same physiology. And then the microbes in human welfare, which comes under the biotechnology, also gives the 1 question from that. So here we covered at most important topics, and sometimes 1 or 2 questions may come more or less from these topics, but if we prepare in keeping view of this kind of the botany or any other subject analysis, then it is easy to crack the NEET sheet, and I hope that you will get it. Thank you.